Havells India Limited Q3 FY26 results, revenue hits 5,587 crore rupees. Havells India Limited has officially declared its financial results for the third quarter of FY26, showcasing a robust top-line performance that significantly exceeded market expectations. The company posted a consolidated revenue from operations of 5,587.89 crore rupees, a sharp jump from 4,888.98 crore rupees in the same period last year, beating the average analyst estimate of approximately 5,080 crore rupees. A major highlight for investors is the declaration of an interim dividend of 4 rupees per equity share. The board has fixed January 23, 2026 as the record date to determine eligible shareholders, with the dividend set to be paid on or before February 17, 2026. This move reinforces management's confidence in the company's cash flow despite industry-wide margin pressures. The consolidated net profit for the quarter came in at 300.05 crore rupees, compared to 277.96 crore rupees year-on-year. While this figure was slightly below aggressive street estimates of 340 crore rupees, the miss is purely due to a significant exceptional item of 45.03 crore rupees. This one-time charge arose from the reassessment of employee benefit obligations following the implementation of the new labor codes, effective from November 2025. Looking at the business segments, the cables division was the star performer, contributing a massive 2,241.12 crore rupees to the revenue, reflecting the ongoing infrastructure push in India. The switchgear segment also showed steady momentum, bringing in 624.37 crore rupees, while the electrical consumer durables (ECD) segment reported revenues of 1,151.47 crore rupees. The Lloyd consumer segment reported a revenue of 700.59 crore rupees, but faced a segment loss of 60.37 crore rupees for the quarter. This highlights the competitive intensity and high input costs in the cooling category, though the revenue growth suggests Lloyd is successfully gaining market share ahead of the peak summer season. In a strategic legal update, Havells executed a settlement agreement with the HPL Group, ensuring Havells absolute rights to the Havells mark. The company has recognized the settlement amount of 129.60 crore rupees as an intangible asset. Furthermore, the company continues to focus on green energy through its earlier 600 crore rupee investment in Goldi Solar. The board also approved the introduction of the Havells Employee Stock Purchase Scheme 2026, aimed at retaining top talent as the company scales. Despite the one-time labor code costs impacting current profits, the strong double-digit revenue expansion and consistent dividend payout demonstrate Havells' fundamental resilience in the FMEG sector. In summary, Q3 FY26 was a quarter of strong revenue expansion for Havells, led by its core industrial products. With the top line beating estimates and asset quality remaining high, the company remains a dominant force in the Indian electrical goods market as it heads into the final quarter of the fiscal year. The stock market moves fast, and missing one update can cost you. To stay ahead with the latest company news, quarterly results, and order wins, hit that subscribe button now. Don't forget to turn on notifications so you never miss a market beat.